This niche happens to be one that appeals to a wide audience. Scientific random facts. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create content for this niche in a unique manner, different from what you see on this channel using free AI tools. You can even repurpose these videos for Instagram as well. First, we will create a script centered around scientific facts. Next, we'll create a talking avatar for the video's host. Then, we'll use AI to generate voiceovers. I'll also guide you through the process of creating and animating images. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first step involves creating the script for our video. I will be using Gemini AI. You can also use ChatGPT for that matter. Here's how the prompt will be presented. Give me the 10 amazing scientific facts that will create curiosity in my audience. These facts will be used in a YouTube video script. So, try to make it engaging and interesting. Also give me the image ideas for my video. Let's generate this script. Okay, so now we have our script ready. The next step is to create voiceovers from the script. I will be using 11 Labs. You can simply log in to the 11 Labs, and after login you will get free 10,000 credits that you can use for creating voiceover for your video. Now, select the voice as per your preference from the list of available voices and paste the script that we generated using Gemini AI. Alright, we finished generating the voiceover. Second step is done. Now we will create a talking avatar. To begin, we'll need to create a character for that. I will be using Leonardo AI. With Leonardo AI, you'll receive free 150 credits daily, so there's no need to pay for it. Visit Leonardo AI and choose a suitable AI model from the available images. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can modify the prompt and generate new images. Feel free to try again until you find the one you like. Personally, I find this particular image quite appealing, and I will use it for this video. Next, we need to animate the character to make it a talking avatar. For this, I will be using Wondershare Verbo. If you want to know about how to use Wondershare Verbo in detail, you can check this video. To get started, you'll need to sign up. Once you're on the home page, click the talking photo option. Here you can upload your own character by clicking on the upload button, or you can use the pre-built characters for your video. Click next, and afterward, you have the option to either type your script or generate the script using AI. For this video, I will paste the script that we generated using Gemini AI. You get the option to choose voices based on gender, and also enable subtitles and adjust the voice settings. Once done, then click on Create Video, and within 1 or 2 minutes, your talking avatar video will be generated and ready for download. However, please note that in the free version of Wondershare Verbo, watermark will be placed on the video, but you can easily fix that by cropping the lower part. Don't worry, it won't affect the video. Moving on to the next step, we need to create multiple images for our video. Let's head over to Leonardo AI again. Copy and paste the image idea that we got from Gemini AI. Adjust the settings from the sidebar and choose the number of image generation. Now that we have all the necessary materials, we can proceed to the last step, which is to edit the video. I will be using CapCut to edit this video. Click on the import button to import all the images and voiceover that we generated in the earlier steps. Click on the modify button and choose the appropriate dimensions, which should be a 9:16 ratio. Begin by dragging the voiceovers to the timeline. Next, place the talking avatar video on top of it and adjust its size to cover the lower part of the video. Then add the necessary images to their designated locations. This process is quite straightforward. Insert all the images and ensure that their sizes are adjusted to fit the upper part of the video. This step may take a few minutes, depending on the number of images used to tell the story. Following this, apply sliding animations to these images to make it more appealing. Access the Animations tab from the side menu and put animations to the images. Once the animation part is completed, it is time to add captions. Navigate to the text option in the top menu, select Auto Captions, choose the English language and generate the captions. Within seconds the captions will be generated, although initially invisible. You can edit the captions using the menu on the right side. Consider capitalizing all the text and selecting a suitable font. Next, apply pre-made effects to the captions to make the video enticing. By doing so, the captions will be more visually appealing and easily readable for viewers. Additionally, apply suitable text animations to these text layers using the Animations feature. Once these steps are completed, the video editing process is finished. export the video, and upload it to your channel. You can also share the same video on Instagram. Let's have a look to what we created.
On Jupiter and Saturn, scorching hot temperatures deep inside their atmospheres actually turn methane gas into liquid diamonds, which then solidify and fall as rain. Scientists believe these diamond showers could be hundreds of miles thick. Dolphins aren't just cute and playful, they possess biosonar, a kind of underwater radar that lets them hear things 10 times better than humans, even in murky depths. They can even use it to tell the difference between a fish and a friend. Forget cockroaches, there's a new king of resilience. Tardigrades, also known as water bears.
If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.